Ready. Bye-bye. You ready to go? Huh? Bye. Bye-bye.
You in the snow. Well,
Hey, the Hey, sweet pea. Hey, sweet pea. What you think about the snow? Careful. Dodge. Uh-oh. You in the snow. Whoa. Wow. Hey, the lasses, look at us. So we out here in the snow 2025. This is Doge's first snow, and the lassie's been in the snow. I think it was last year, right, sweet pea? All right. It's kind of deep out here. Look at this.
Wow.
What are you doing? You throw some snow at you. Ugh. Ugh. Whoa.
Yeah.
Doji, are you eating snow? He got the day off of school because it snowed a lot, and the snow's really deep. What you think, sweet pea? Come on, let's race. Come on, let's race. Ready, set, go. Uh-oh, you're losing. You got those nice boots on, right? Come on, get on your tricycle. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna push it, okay? Let's see how it goes. Boy, it's stiff. All right, so now we finna go out here. Oh boy. Whoa. Let's back up. Uh-oh. All right. There. Well, there'll still be snow. I'm just gonna take a top layer off of it. What you found over here? Yeah. Yeah, it's a turtle, but it's probably used to have sand in it, but we don't use that anymore. You gonna try to use this slide? Jeez. Yeah, or snow castle. It's a snow castle. You cold? Your hands cold? You want to take a break? Come on, let's go warm your hands up and then we'll come back outside, okay? So your hands can get warm. We'll come back outside, okay? All right, let's go. No, I want your hands cold. Your hands are cold, right? Yeah. Let's dry your hands and we'll come back outside.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, we'll continue playing.
We got our own snow playland in our backyard. Wow. We got it. Your hands are cold. You don't eat snow, it's nasty. Snow's nasty, you can't do that. Where's Doji? Doji was crying because he didn't want to go inside because it's so cold. What about your hands? Are your hands cold? So let's go back inside now so we can warm your hands up and give you some hot chocolate, okay? Why? Alright, well but your hands might freeze. Your hands are freezing? Doge got cold and had to come back in for a wardrobe change. But look at Doge now. Doge, you wanted to come back out? No. Yes, you did. Yes. You've been saying yes all morning. No. Why can't you say yeah again? No. All right. Uh-oh, Doge. You better run, Doge. You better go. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's an airplane, yeah. Yeah, Doge. You made it snow on Doji? You make it snow on me? Yeah, Doji got back in the ball game after being cold. And I had to do a wardrobe change. We're still trying to get the lesson going. Dry our hands off and get some hot chocolate. Right, sweet pea? Huh? You say okay? We'll clear a path for you, Doge. What you doing, Doge? Uh-oh. Get up, Doge. Uh-oh, he's stuck, Doge. He's stuck. There's nowhere to go. Where you gonna go? You're stuck. Yeah, stuck. What you gonna do? Nothing? Gotta go this way. Come on, let's go back. Come on, go this way. This way, look, 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 look. No, it's not. No, no.